YouTube family, what is good? DevanOnDeck back once again with another content tips video for you. And this one is focused on apps that'll help you tell better creative stories, more engaging stories in an easy, quick way. We're talking everything from visual effects, animated text overlays, sound effects, music, transitions, animated graphics, you name it. And the best part is that out of the 4 iPhone apps I gave you, 2 of them also work for Android. Welcome back to my channel, y'all, and if it's your first time here, my name is DevanOnDeck. You're currently tuned in to my series, DevanOnTech, where I teach you how to create better content and be more successful on digital. Now, the other half of my channel, I teach men's fashion, personal style, and grooming, all that good stuff. So if any or both of those things sound good to you, hit that subscribe button. I'd love for you to be a part of the YouTube family. If you've already subbed, press that bell icon and you get a notification every time I drop a video. Now, this first one is for Android and iPhone, and it is called Quick. And this is my favorite app on this entire list because it is so versatile and so smart. What you literally do is pick all the clips you want to put into a video, whether it's Instagram stories or Facebook, whatever you want to do, you throw them in there and you just press one button and literally it'll show you different, almost like filters you can put over it, in which the video is edited in different ways with different moods, different transitions, different frames, different music. And then once you pick the one you kind of like, you can just kind of adjust it from there. It even senses your voice when you're talking to let you know, okay, do you want to mix it in to where we kind of hear your voice and the music? Do you want to boost your voice more so you don't really hear the music at all? Like, you can choose when the music fades in and fades out with your voice and when you're talking. So it's a beautiful thing. I personally love the app because, again, it made a video that would have taken me on Photoshop 10 minutes to do, 20 minutes to do in 3 minutes. And in fact, if you do want to see the exact video I made, maybe you want to study it for like the kind of shots that I put together, I will put it at the end of this video so you know where to find it if you want to see it. Next app on this list is Over. It's an iPhone only app and is mainly for images. But remember, we talked about making quality branded content. This is a perfect tool to use to do that. You can literally make any image you want to, a dope flyer, a promotion, a swipe up for your latest YouTube video, whatever it is, whether you're a business person or a content creator or both, it's a great tool to use to just make your quotes or whatever you want to say come to life in a better, more impactful way. Number 3 on this list is for Android and iPhone, and it's called Hype Type. As you probably can tell by the name of it, Hype Type, that it's for typography. You can animate your text, you can reverse video, the speed of it, you can rewind it, and almost caption what you're doing with each frame. Number 4 is Rama. It's an iPhone only app, and it's the most graphically strong app I've ever seen. Like, the biggest thing in my mind and the biggest attribute here is the visual effects. You get crazy explosions, electrical discharges, you can break the ground, change the weather. It's limitless when it comes to that stuff, but as well as everything else a lot of the other apps I gave you already have, like transitions, crazy text. Like, you can make a really smooth, great story, add your own music, all that good stuff. The only drawback in my mind is that it takes a little bit more time to actually put every little piece in there. So here's a sound effect, here's a text, here's that. It doesn't really give you a templated option that makes it really smooth and simple to where you can get it done in like 3 minutes. It's more like a 15-minute, 30-minute project. Think about if you want to take a little bit more time to make it perfect and customizable, or you want something quick and fast and easy. Either way, this app is a good option for you if you do want better graphics. If you have made it this far, that means you're now equipped with 4 tools you can use to make really creative content in a swift and easy way. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Leave that for me right now. It really does make a big difference. Any questions, concerns, feedback, leave it in the comments. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you haven't subbed to my channel yet, make that happen. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you on the next one. Peace. Currently on a pre-made guacamole mission. Yes, pre-made, because your boy is lazy. Mission accomplished.